backstage.
Itong pananalay ko ay hindi lamang po recognition ng aking trabaho, kundi pati na rin po ng aking pagkatao.
I was doubtful. Are they gonna give that to a transgender woman? Are we ready for that? That's already a huge victory for me as an actress and for the whole LGBTQIA plus community. That,
Right.
you know, they respect my gender identity, and gender recognition is very important. Jervy Lee sa totoong buhay, umiiksena na siya sa entablado nung estudyante sa UP Diliman.
Natakot ang buuin ng The Correspondents.
Pero pangarap talaga niya maging reporter. Kaya noong taong 2017, nag-viral ang video na ito.
Handa na kami na puntahan ang mga indigenous tribe ng Karayusan.
At dito ipinanganak si Kalad Karen.
Ako po si Kalad Karen Davila at ito ang The Correspondent.
Pumasok sa industriya bilang impersonator at host.
Hello, Ma'am Karen!
Kamakailan, binisita ko si Jervy sa nabili niyang bagong condominium. Nakatas nagsipang bilang Kalad Karen.
Kung meron ka na isang natutunan, give and you will receive.
Bago pa man ang acting award, marami na siyang mga medalya mula sa eskwela.
Importante yung education kasi it will really help you na makapangon sa kahirapan.
7 taon ng pagiging impersonator, kinailangan na niyang habutin muli ang sarili. I don't want to be boxed as your impersonator only.
Yeah.
Like, I want people to realize that I can do something else. I can act, I can dance, I can do this, I can write, I can produce. Huwag mo na akong makakain dito. As an artist, how I have to do this as an actor. This is really very important for the role. I have to be truthful. I have to be dedicated. So, ginawa ko lahat. At dahil dito, tumatak siya sa kasaysayan bilang kauna-unahang transgender woman na mag-nominate at manalo ng award na ito.